Can you appreciate Krishna's philosophy beyond religious boundaries? Krishna and his teachings, especially those found in the Bhagavad Gita, address themes like duty, righteousness, and the nature of existence. These concepts can resonate with anyone regardless of that person's religious background. I just said resonate again. The Bhagavad Gita provides counsel on navigating life's challenges, moral dilemmas, and understanding one's purpose in life, or helping someone understand their purpose in life. If you think about it, these are concerns which are shared by everyone of all backgrounds. You don't have to believe in the existence of a Krishna or to be a Hindu to find value in Krishna's teachings. There is a scene in Avengers Endgame where Thor's mother offers him counsel. She expresses that man will ultimately fail if he feels like he should be the person he was always meant to be rather than be the person who he really is. That for me is universal guidance. That for me is wisdom for everyone and anyone of any background. Now, if I take value in that, if I listen to Thor's mother, if I think to myself I should be the real me rather than the person I'm expected to be, that doesn't mean in any way that I think what happened in the Avengers Endgame is real, or that I think Thor is a real god. You see where I'm going with this? Just as someone can admire the works of Lao Tzu, Confucius, Rumi, Nietzsche, you don't have to believe in their religions and believe in their overall philosophy to find value in some of their teachings. And I feel the same way about Krishna. I was never raised with this idea that Krishna was or is a god. I've always seen Krishna as a metaphor, but regardless of how I see him, whether he's real or not, for me to say that I cannot find any value in his teachings would be so ignorant. Religious backgrounds and affiliation doesn't matter when it comes to philosophy. Philosophy can be universal, or should be really. I wrote the following in our teacher training manual about Krishna. I wrote that Krishna's emphasis on righteous living, selfishness, and detachment can be viewed as a moral and ethical guide, which is similar to many principles found in other world philosophies and religions. So when I present Krishna and his philosophy in our yoga teacher training, I'm in no way saying that Krishna existed. That's a personal decision. That's a conclusion that someone needs to come up with in their own time through their own reasoning. All I'm presenting is the philosophy and the wisdom behind the philosophy, and saying that sometimes if we can just look outside of our bubble, we can find wisdom in the most random places that can enhance the quality of our lives and ultimately make us better human beings, which is what we're all striving to be. We're all a work in progress striving to be better. In summary, whilst Krishna holds a revered position in Hinduism, his teachings do offer insights and wisdom that can be appreciated on a universal scale. Krishna's philosophy doesn't require religious belief or adherence. It only requires an open mind and a willingness to embrace the fact that we are all a work in progress.